Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to install the Steam app on Android. So with Steam on your mobile device, you can chat with friends, manage your game library, receive notification and even buy games anytime and anywhere. So let's get started. First, open the Google Play application on your Android phone, then tap on the search bar on the top and type Steam, and you will see here it's Steam application, and here we press install and we will wait until the installation is complete. So after the installation is complete, we can open this Steam application. And the first thing after you open the Steam application, you need to sign in with your Steam account. So make sure before you have a Steam account, you can type your Steam account name and your password. So after you enter the Steam account name and password, tap on sign in, and here the Steam guard will send a message to your email, and you need to open that email and find the code and enter in here. And now we are successful signed in on the Steam application in the Android device. So I hope this video useful and see you in another one.